Hello traders. Today we are looking at the NeuroTrend Indicator for MetaTrader 4. This is an adaptive trend detection tool that combines multiple inputs to assess market direction. At this point, I'll load the indicator on the chart so you can see how it looks in real time. Alright, there we have it. As you can see on the chart, the NeuroTrend Indicator typically displays color-coded dots, lines, or bar highlights that change based on the detected trend. The indicator may also show arrows at points where it detects a shift in trend direction. The adaptive nature of the algorithm means it attempts to adjust its sensitivity based on current market conditions, responding differently in trending versus ranging environments. As for the settings, let's take a look. The settings include the main calculation period, sensitivity adjustments, and display options for the various visual elements. You can customize the colors for bullish and bearish signals, enable or disable arrows, and adjust alert notifications for trend changes. As for who is for, this indicator is suited for trend following traders who want an adaptive tool. It is a visual and analytical tool only and does not execute trades. Despite its adaptive design, false signals can occur, particularly during market transitions or news events. Always use additional analysis methods for confirmation. If you'd like to download this tool or learn more, I've included a link in the description below. This has been another video from the Forex Geek. If you found it useful, please hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss future content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.